seems like an exciting match. Now, for the much-awaited Kathak performance by Natalia. Natalia's journey as a dancer has been a long yet rewarding one, starting from the tender age of 4. Since the beginning, upon her very first sight of Kathak, Natalia became passionate and dedicated about training and mastering the dance form, with encouraging support from her Peruvian mother and American father. Within the past few years, Natalia has been continuously visiting India to receive intensive tutelage from her present guru, Kathak maestro, Padma Vibhushan, Pandit Birju Maharaj. However, much of her training took place in the US prior to going to India, at the Anila Sinha Foundation's Kathak Nritya Kala Kendra in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. There, she took instruction several years from Srimati Sandhya Desai, disciple of Padma Shri Kumudini Lakhya. As a child, Natalia's initial instruction began with Miss Mekhla Purnima Shah. By Miss Mekhla Natwar of the Jaipur Gharana style, and later continued in Lucknow Gharana style with Miss Purnima Shah. In the year 2008, Natalia was awarded a prestigious fellowship as Senior Performing Artist from the American Institute of Indian Studies. Graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in South Asian Languages and Cultures from the University of Wisconsin, Natalia now continues her studies and performs as a Kathak dancer in India and the USA. Right before she came to Madison, Natalia, with Pandit Birju Maharajji's Kalashram dance troupe, performed at the Commonwealth Games opening ceremony. Today, she is going to perform on Kahe Chhed Chhed Mohe, originally choreographed by Pandit Birju Maharaj for a dance performance in the movie called Devdas. Please welcome with a big hand, Natalia!
Good evening and namaskar. मैं माफ़ी मांगती हूँ, मेरी आवाज़ की हालत काफ़ी ख़राब है, तो ज़्यादा नहीं बोल पाऊँगी. I'm sorry, my voice is not very good. My transition from India to America has not been very graceful. The weather has taken a toll on my voice. However, I first of all wanted to give a great thanks to IGSA. I've been coming and I used to dance as a very little girl in IGSA events, and I'm always amazed at their creativity, discipline, originality for each year. So a big hand for them. And of course, very deep felt thanks to all who have supported me in the community of Madison, my family and my friends. I just wanted to say a little bit about the piece itself and why I chose it. Kahe Chhed Chhed Mohe, if you're not familiar with the Bollywood movie Devdas, it is actually a dance from a film, so I thought it would fit quite well amongst many of the other film dances that you will see here. However, the difference is that it will be purely classically derived from the Kathak style. It was composed, choreographed, sung by my Guruji, by Pandit Birju Maharaj. So just on a side note, just to sort of distinguish the classical art form of Kathak, I hope you take notice, and if you ever are curious now with YouTube, you can explore all of the different art forms in India. But in particular, I can speak for Kathak in and of itself. It has all of the different layers of North Indian history embedded in it in a very artistic way. And when you dance it, you can see the different layers of it and the depth in it. And although we do not move our hips, one of the skills in Kathak is to try to be able to say much more with much less. So Kahe Chhed Chhed Mohe means, why, Lord Krishna, are you teasing me so much? Radha, who is his divine consort, is pleading from Lord Krishna that why are you constantly teasing me in such ways, like stealing my earring or pulling on my wrists, all of these different sort of teases, innocent teases from Krishna. But finally, Radha, after becoming fed up, she completely surrenders to the divinity of Krishna and becomes one with his universal soul. So it's an honor to be here, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.